Hi, I'm Dr. Jeremy Brook from the Life Center Chiropractic. This is Megan Jean, the Dream McNamee, and today we wanted to demonstrate how to deliver a neck adjustment. And this video really is for people who are scared of having their neck adjusted. They get very tense, or maybe they're not scared to get their neck adjusted, but they get tense during the adjustment. So I wanted to go over a couple simple steps for the patient as well as the chiropractor to come to a place of peace where an adjustment can be delivered. And really, when the adjustment is delivered from a place of peace equals no tension. When there's no tension and an adjustment occurs, the body is able to integrate that force that's gone in, which ultimately will allow for a peak experience, which ultimately will allow for a magical moment. And it's usually during those magical moments that your innate intelligence starts speaking to you in a clear voice. You can hear the messages, and then you can make some fantastic decisions with your life. Okay, so we're going to just go through an adjustment right now, and we're going to both together, like a dance, isolate, locate where the tension buildup is. We're both going to dissolve it on my end as well as her end, and then an adjustment is going to occur. Scoot down just a little bit. Thank you very much. Head back. And let's just plug in first and foremost just to isolate where the subluxation is. And fantastic. We've isolated an upper cervical. She has what we call the classic kink. C2 is gone one way, second vertebrae, the axis, and the atlas is rotated backwards on the other side, as well as kind of up, pinning up against the skull. We're going to just demonstrate a very delicate seated cervical adjustment in the Gonstead technique family, although it's been modified to the Brook method. Alright, so C2, just a nice little tilt. So what I like to do is just let the head flop to the side. So the head's kind of like supported like a kickstand. So Megan Jean is offering absolutely no resistance right now. Perfect. And a nice gorgeous little adjustment occurs. Now we get into the C1. She's going to drop to the right. Cool. So she's see how she just sprung her head back up? We're going to just honor that. So feel where your body is holding, maybe pushing away from or into, which I'd fall to the right. Yeah. And I'm going to just steer it right there. Get the perfect vector. Soften it to the right again. Yeah, you're listening. And then we're in. Gorgeous. C1. That was classic. So, yeah, you're welcome. The key ingredient for the patient is to communicate with the chiropractor. Yo, I'm not ready yet. Don't just let the chiropractor go in and invade your solar system, your neurospinal solar system. Get on the same page so that you can feel where things get a little tense, soften it, and then boom, that's where the adjustment happens. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.